Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, in how many ways can 12 different books be divided equally among A, B, C and D, and B is A, B and C. So how many ways 12 different books can be divided among 4 people, and in how many different ways can 12 books be divided among 3 people? So that is a given question. So 12 books has to be divided among A, B, C and D. So first case we can see. So how this can be done. So 12 different books, it has to be distributed among 4 different people, A, B, C and D. So how this is done. So this is a case of combination. The books are selected and it is getting distributed among the members. So at first 12 books are there. So out of which 3 has to be selected and given to A. So let's start from A. So how many ways this can be done? So 12 books are there, out of which 3 has to be selected and given to A. So it can be done in 12 C3 ways. Into. Okay. Now how many ways 3 books can be given to B? Now how many books are remaining? 3 books are already given to A. So remaining books is equal to 9. So out of 9, 3 books are to be selected and given to B. So it can be done in 9 C3 ways. So this is multiplicative because to A how many books are given, and 3 books are given to B, and 3 books are given to C, and 3 books are given to D. So and is coming. So it is multiplication. 12 books are to be divided among A, B, C and D. So it can be done as 3 books given to A, 3 books given to B and 3 books given to C and 3 books given to D. So it is multiplication. So out of 12 books, first 3 books are selected and given to A, then 9 books will be remaining. So out of these 9, again 3 books are selected and given to B. Now only 6 books are remaining, and these 6 books, out of 6 books, 3 are selected and given to C. And remaining 3 books are there, and these 3 books will be given to D. So this is our answer. 12 C3 into 9 C3 into 6 C3 into 3 C3. So let's try to evaluate this. So what we will be getting? 12 C3 means it is equal to 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. 9 C3 will be equal to 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. And 6 C3 will be equal to 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. 3 C3 is equal to 1. NCN is equal to 1. Okay. So we will be getting 3 C3 is equal to 1, or otherwise we can write this as 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 1 into 2 into 3, which becomes equal to 1. Okay. So let's cancel out and find the answer to this. So what we will be getting? So here 6 will come, and again here 2 will come. Then what about here? 3 will come, and here 4 will come. Then here 3 into 2 6. So that will be divided. So it will be 11 into 2 into 10, which is 220. So 220 into 4 into 3 12. 12 into 7 is equal to 84. Into 5 into 4 is equal to 20, which will be totally giving you 3,69,600. So 3,69,600 ways you can divide 12 different books among 4 people. Now again the second part is how you can divide the same 12 books among 3 people. How it can be done? 4 books given to A. 4 books given to A. Then again next 4 books given to B and 4 books given to C. So here also multiplication and case. 4 books given to A and 4 books given to B and 4 books given to C. So it is a case of multiplication. So how many ways we can give 4 books to A? There are total 12 books and you are selecting 4 books out of that. So 12 C4 ways you can select 4 books from the total of 12 books. Now how many books will be remaining? 8 books will be remaining, and you are selecting again 4 books from that and giving to B. So at last only there will be one way of giving. The remaining 4 books should be given to C, or there are 4 books remaining, out of which you will be again taking 4 books and giving to C. So these are the different ways it can be done. 12 C4 into 8 C4 into 4 C4. So there are 12 books at first, out of which 4 books are selected and given to A. So 4 books are given to A. So now the remaining books will be 8. So out of 8, again 4 books are selected and given to B. So now in total only 4 books will be remaining. So it will be equal to 4 C4. So 12 C4 into 8 C4. 12 C4 means it will be equal to 12 into 11 into 10. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. And 8 C4 will be equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So what you will be getting? So let's try to cancel out this. So 4 into 3 12. So here 12 will be cancelling out, and 2 and 5 will come here. Then 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So finally you will be getting 11 into 5 into 9. That is 45 into 9 into, here you will be getting 7 into 5 35, 35 2s are 70. So 45 into 9 into 70, which will be totally giving you 34,650 ways. So 34,650 ways you can divide 4 books. 4 books to each student you will be able to give, or you will be able to divide 12 books among 3 people. Second question, an interview panel comprising 5 members is to be formed from 6 men and 4 women. In how many different ways can this be done if the panel should include at least 1 woman? Okay, so what is the given question here? There is an interview panel. An interview panel comprises of 5 members, and this interview panel is to be selected from 10 members. And how are these 10 members? We are having 6 men and 4 women. So from these 6 men and 4 women, you have to select 5 members for the interview panel. So in how many different ways this can be done? The condition is that the interview panel should include at least 1 woman. So when the question comes like this, at least 1 woman. So what you have to do is that you should find out in how many different ways 5 members can be selected from 10 members without any condition. You are just selecting 5 members from 10 members. So it will be giving you the total number of ways in which the interview panel can be formed. The second case is you have to find out there is no lady selected. There is no woman selected. When there is no woman selected, how many ways the interview panel can be formed? So the total number of ways minus 0 number of ways. So that means 0 lady is selected. Okay, so 0 woman is selected. So that will be giving you in how many ways at least 1 woman can be selected. So that is the method for doing at least 1 questions. So you have to find out the total number of ways. So how to find out total number of ways? Here total 10 people are there, out of which you have to select 5 members. So 10 C5 ways are possible. So 10 C5 means it will be equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So what you will be getting? You can cancel out. So 3 into 2, 6. So that is cancelling out 5 into 2 and 4 into 2. So it will be 9 into 7 into 2 into 2. So 7 into 4 is 28. So 28 into 9 is equal to 252. So there are 252 ways in which the interview panel can be formed. Out of 10 members, you are selecting 5 members and you are forming an interview panel. So 10 C5 ways you will be able to form the panel. So 10 C5 is equal to 252. Now you have to find out no woman is selected. Suppose no woman is selected for the interview panel. So how many ways it can be done? So no woman is selected means out of 6 men you have to form 5 members of the interview panel. So 6 C5 ways you can do that. There are 6 men available and you have to form an interview panel of 5 members. So you will be able to do it in 6 C5 ways. So 6 C5 means what it will be equivalent to? You already know one formula. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Both these are equivalent. Okay. So 6 C5 will be equal to 6 C 6 minus 5, which is equal to 6 C1. So 6 C5 is equal to 6 C1. Okay. So what you will be getting here? So here no woman means 6 C1 ways it can be done. That means 6 ways it can be done. 6 ways you can select 5 men to this interview panel. So at least 1 woman means you have to find out the difference between these two. Total number of possibilities minus number of ways in which no woman is selected. So total number of possibilities minus number of ways in which no woman is selected. So that will be giving the answer to our question. So what will be getting? 252 minus 6, which will be giving you 246. So there will be 246 ways in which the interview panel can be formed. Thank you for watching.